The Golden Secrets of Drawing, number 16. Drawing improves analytical skills. We make thousands of decisions when drawing. For those who are reluctant to make decisions in their life, this can be good training. It's easy to make a mistake while drawing. What do? Rip it up and start again? Or work out a way of correcting or even enhancing what you have drawn so far? It's easy to get obsessed with a small area of a drawing, getting too close up to the paper. When we draw, we literally take a step back every once in a while to get an overview of the drawing. Then we make decisions, a bit more here, a bit less there, analysing the work in progress on the fly. Doing this every day, even for 5 minutes, introduces the same analytical skills into other parts of your life, allowing you to reflect on problems and relationships. It's always good to step back when there is a problem. This is what drawing teaches us. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. How about a plant in a pot? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoe Rainer Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.